Hey there, it's Brittany. I am back. Today is, well, day 52 of my 100-day bracelet challenge, but I'm recapping days 41 through 50 for you. So we're halfway there. I can't believe it. I've made way more than 50 bracelets at this point, but the last 10 days, bracelets are really different. They're more, actually now looking at them, they're very tropical. Huh. I didn't realize I was doing that as I was going along. Okay, so I'll start. I know you hate looking at a bare screen here. So you guys saw the video where I made these two. This was day 41. These were two stretch bracelets that I made to match a polymer clay necklace. So these are beads that I made, these twisty ones, and these blue and green beads around the back. I made these green beads right here, and then I just used a bunch of crystals and silver findings and some stone beads here to tie everything together. I love these bracelets. I love turquoise and orange. I'm going to have to do more bracelets in those colors. You guys actually saw me make this bracelet too during an unboxing where I did an impromptu pair of earrings. Ton of chevron little beads. I got these at Beads and Babble on Etsy. This came from AliExpress. And so I just feel like it's really tropical, really islandish. And so that was day 42. But day 43 kind of matches. Well, it does match, kind of, I guess. So here's day 43. I used the same beads, but I separated them by turquoise rondelles. And I used a coordinating nautilus shell. So this is a set, or they can be worn separately. So one will be on the top of your wrist and one will be on the bottom as a charm. So days 42 and 43. Day 44 is just a really simple strung bracelet. I got these faux pearls in Tucson. They're very cool. So I think they're like fuchsia, but on the strand, they looked a little ombre. So there's a lighter pink. Oh, that one has a spot on it. But anyway, they're like a hot pink into a purple. So it depends on how the lights hit them. I've never seen any pearls quite like this, and I think they're painted. I just don't know. They're so cool, and I just used this toggle from Bargain Bead Box because I thought it was pretty. But these definitely, they look like gumballs almost, but they're very substantial beads, and they're very fun to wear. I love how glossy they are. I should do a necklace like that. This one was just a really quick bracelet. It's a memory wire bracelet. I used the African recycled glass beads from Renee, and then these spacers, these glass spacers are also from Beads and Babble, and then I got this eye from AliExpress. But it's a really cute, fast, easy bracelet to make that packs a punch, and it, like I said, it fits in with like the island theme that I was going with all these other bracelets that I didn't even know was happening. So it's really casual, a lot of fun, and it'll go with a lot of different things because I wasn't paying attention what order I was putting the beads in. Just grabbed them as I went. So really fast, but super fun. So that was day 45. Okay, day 46, really easy. I grabbed a bracelet bar from a pack that I got at Hobby Lobby. These came in a 2-pack for 99 cents on clearance. So the other one is around here somewhere. Here's the other one. And I was going to use this one, but I didn't have findings. I didn't have a clasp that matched. So it's just a multi-tone bracelet bar in the middle. The heart. I don't think that there aren't any words on this one. Just kind of looks like words. And then I went with the copper idea for the knot covers or crimp covers, whatever you want to call these. These are from Wendy's shop, Bead on a Wire jewelry.com. And then I used a silver toggle clasp because I didn't have any of these copper toggle clasps. So that was fun. And I just used, I think these are jasper. I think I got those in somebody's D-stash I bought from Instagram. So really cute, very simple. Literally this went together in less than 10-15 minutes. So fast. 46 was the day that I got Heidi's artisan beads, and I made a bracelet to match the necklace that I made during that day. So it's just a linked necklace using linked bracelet using the same beads that I used on the necklace. I wire wrapped one of her shells, and I put a charm on the side. So the cool thing about this is if you have a matching toggle, you can make it into a necklace or a bracelet. So I could just put the remaining another toggle on a piece of chain and then hook it in, and you can have a little necklace too. But I thought it was a super fun way to use the last artisan bead like this that I had. Isn't that cute? So oceany. Day 47, I made another matching bracelet for that necklace set using, I think this was the last one of these beads. It was just, I tied in some pearls like I did in the necklace. Same clasp that I used on the other bracelet that I just showed you, so they can coordinate. Used a couple bead caps and some freshwater pearls from my gemstone haul. Such a nice, cute little princessy bracelet. Reminds me of the Little Mermaid. The whole set reminded me of the Little Mermaid. Day 49. So I wanted to make this bracelet when I made those 6 sea glass bracelets, but I didn't know where my big pearls were, and I found them while I've been packing, so I decided to make that bracelet. I used a huge Baroque-ish pearl. I guess it's not Baroque, but I don't know. Really tiny crystal spacers, and then those pink sea glass beads, and I had one toggle left to match the ones I used on that day, so that was really cool. But I thought this was so neat, this big pearl. I got those on a strand. It was such a good deal. I wish I would have bought more when I was in Tucson. I got a huge strand of them for $10, and you can pay $10 for one of these beads, so it was a really good deal. Anyway, so that was day 49. And then day 50, you saw me make this in the leather tutorial video using Heidi's artisan bead. So that was day 50. I'm going to, which ones were my favorites? Oh my goodness, I don't know. Well, for sure this one, just because I really love that big pearl. So I'm all over the place this week. This one, just because I love how colorful it is, and you know I love my turquoise. And it's such a tie. I think this one, we'll put this one in there. So it was a pearl and pink week, I guess. I used a lot more pink than I normally do. I mean, looking back at the bracelets, most of them are turquoise, of course, but I just really like these 3 bracelets. So let me know which one was your favorite. I did the bracelet blitz yesterday. Oh my gosh, guys, it was fun to do, but I had a nightmare trying to upload it. It took me hours, like 6 hours to get everything up, and it never takes that long. So I'm going to probably refrain from doing not bracelet blitzes, but videos that long in the future, because it was just crazy, or I'll do 2 parts or something. So anyway, I'm glad you guys seem to like the bracelet blitz. If you haven't seen it, check it out. It's got some great ideas in it. I made 7 bracelets in one sitting. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you know anybody who likes jewelry, especially bracelets or beads, especially hoarding them, they might like my channel, so please share. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie, and I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. Bye-bye. Hey, cutie. Are you ready to get up? No? Hey, baby.